Hello, hello! Today we are going to make a girl watering her plants. So let's open our book and see what do we have. Wow, we have an interesting memory drawing right here. Let's follow these steps and make our beautiful girl. Well, at first we will always start with the face. So let's get an outline of the hair first. Go very slow while making it. Connect it with the ears and then make the face. Complete making the outline of it. Let's make the outline of the leg. This is great. Now start by making a few intricate details. Yes, for example, the shoe and the socks. And after that, let's start making the intricate details for the handles and the hands. This looks interesting. For now, even if a few things are overlapping each other, that's completely alright. We can erase that later. Let's make these droplets. And then let's give her dress a beautiful frill. After that, let's make her eye. Well, yes, we can only see one side and hence we only see one eye. Let's make the pot and then start by making these beautiful flowers. Yes, all the three look very similar. So, let's make this the same. We will make 4 leaves and then the flower on top. Something like this. That's wonderful. Now we will take our black sketch pen and start sketching it. Yes, we will go very slow and right on top of the pencil marks. Be very careful while making these intricate details of the girl. Yes, the facial features are very important. Go slow and go right on top of the pencil marks. This is beautiful. Make sure you do not draw the overlapping parts. Always erase it before you start sketching, or else you will get confused. Here too, the left leg is overlapping the right leg, which means the right leg is behind the left leg. Continue making these plants. And then the flower. This looks pretty. Let's erase all the pencil marks. Now, let's take yellow colored crayon and color it very lightly. And after that, we will take green color and color right on top. Yes, this is how we get a yellowish green color. You can also sharpen your color pencil so that it's easier for you to color. Well, we are going to color this only in one direction. Complete coloring this slowly and nicely. This is beautiful. Let's take another shade of green, which is an olive green color, and start doing these parts. And after that, let's use yellow color for the line and the shoe which she is wearing. Yes, we will make a line of this for the socks. After that, let's take blue color for this. And remember, these areas are very thin. You need to use the tip of your crayon in order to color this nicely. Let's make this section, which is going to be a little darker. And another line like this. After which we can release the pressure from the color and start coloring lightly. Similarly for the handle, let's highlight one part and make it darker and the other part a little lighter. Let's use the same color for the droplets and now use a darker brown for the bottom part of the hair. Let's release the pressure and color lightly. And now let's take our pencil color, which is lighter brown, and color the top part of the hair. This looks interesting. After this, let's use a darker green for the rubber band and a lighter green to color the entire portion. Use this light green for the puffy sleeves. And then let's use skin color for all the parts like hands and legs and the face as well. Color this slowly and nicely. This looks amazing. The next part we color is the pot. Well, yes, we are going to use a lighter brown for this part. And now let's use this color for a darker brown at first and then release the pressure to color lightly. The next thing we do is use lavender color for the beautiful flowers. Let's take a darker green for the leaves. And look at that, our entire girl is ready.